Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create this moody red coloring for your clips on CapCut. So first, just add your clip and then go to filter. Click on the live category and add the Sicily filter and set it to 100. Okay, this one, set it to 100. Now go to adjust and set the brightness into -6 and the contrast increase it to 5 or 6. Exposure or brilliance increase it to 10. And now click on the adjust cell, and for the red color, set the hue to 8, saturation 60, luminance 35 or lightness. On the orange, hue -45, saturation 50, and the lightness 35. And for the yellow, saturation 12 and the hue -55. And the green color, saturation -100, blue -100. This is also like this, and the purple, and also the last color. Okay, now go back, find shadow, increase it to around 7 and add some fade effect around 11. Click on the check icon, and this is the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye!